Welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into how to set up a Discord subscription system using Whop in 2025. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is a Discord subscription? It's a way for server members to pay a recurring fee for exclusive access to content and features. This is not only helps you monetize your server but also enhance the experience of your subscribers by offering them unique perks like private channel, special roles and early access to updates. Now, why you should consider using Whoop for this? Unlike Discord native subscription service, which takes a 10% cut of your earnings. Hope allows you to keep more of your hard-earned money without the hassle of traditional payment method. Plus, it automates the entire process. So, let's see how to set it up. First, create your exclusive bot. Start by creating your own bot on the Whoop platform. This bot will handle all subscription management. Invite the bot to your server. Once received Once created, invite this bot to your Discord server. Configure subscription role. Head over to the C Wallet website and set up your subscription role. You will need to specify the subscription period and price. Enable subscription. Go to your server settings, find the bot settings and enable subscription. Make sure to add roles for different subscription tiers if you want multiple plans. Promote your subscription. Share your unique QR code with your community so they can easily subscribe. The best part is the Whoop bot automates payment reminder and manages member subscription seamlessly, ensuring that no one misses the payment. So there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can set up a robust subscription system on your Discord server using Whoop. Start building that engaging community today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.